Welcome student. Today we are going to start the topic of gas welding. What is gas welding? Gas welding is a fusion welding process. It joins metals using heat of combustion of oxygen, air and fuel gas mixture. The intense heat thus produce metal and fuse together the edges of part to be welded. Generally with the addition of filler metal. ये जो हमारा गैस वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस है इसमें हम ऑक्सीजन को किसी फ्यूल गैस के साथ मिक्स करेंगे जिससे कि हमारे पास एक रिएक्शन क्रिएट होगी जिससे कि बहुत ज़्यादा हीट क्रिएट होगी आफ्टर दिस रिएक्शन। अच्छा, इस प्रोसेस के अंदर हम फिलर मेटल का भी यूज़ करते हैं। एप्लीकेशन की अगर हम बात करें तो फर्स्ट ये क्या काम आता है, जॉइनिंग थिन मेटल्स for joining materials in whose case excessively high temperature or rapid heating cooling of the job would produce unwanted harmful changes in metal। यानी कि हम उस तरह के मेटल को ज्वाइन करते हैं जिसमें कि आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग हमारा मेटल डिफॉर्म हो सकता है, उस तरीके के ऑपरेशंस के लिए हम इसको यूज़ करते हैं। फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मोस्ट फेरस नॉन फेरस मेटल्स दैट इज़ aluminium, copper, nickel, magnesium and alloy etc. As the name implies, gas welding is also called oxy-fuel gas welding. इसका दूसरा नाम है oxy-fuel gas welding. Drive the heat from combustion of fuel gases such as acetylene in combustion with oxygen. The process is called fission welding process, where the joining complete metal to obtain fusion. The heat produced by the combustion gas is sufficient to melt and such is universal applicable। तो ये हमको कुछ इसका डायग्राम दिखाया गया है कि किस तरीके इसमें वर्क होता है। फर्स्ट आप लोग देख सकते हैं इसमें दो सिलेंडर्स हैं। फर्स्ट ग्रीन सिलेंडर जो कि ऑक्सीजन का है, एक रेड सिलेंडर है जो एसिटिलीन गैस का है। व्हेन वी ओपन द वाल्व ऑफ ऑक्सीजन and acetylene gas from the cylinder, then they meet at torch. When they meet, they make a torch, and after the reaction acetylene gas or oxygen gases reaction, they make high flame, high temperature flame to melt the welding rod, that is filler metal, melt the filler metal and the welding operation is performed. The acetylene welding process uses a combination of oxygen and acetylene gas to provide a high temperature flame. The first reaction takes place when the fuel gases such as acetylene and oxygen mixture burn, releasing intense heat. This is the reaction of when acetylene gas C2H2, that is C2H2 plus O2, when make a reaction 2CO2 H2 plus 448 kilojoule per mole heat is released. After this reaction, the carbon monoxide is react with hydrogen and oxygen and make carbon dioxide, water and the heat, that is 812 kilojoule per mole. The higher temperature of heat is produced in the second stage. Since it is distributed over a large area, the temperature achieved is small, of order of 1200 to 2000 degrees centigrade in the flame, which may be used for preheating the steel. The inner white cone of the order of 3100 degrees centigrade, which is used for directly melt the steel. Type of flame. Now we talk about type of flames. Flame is three types. As you see in this figure, flame is three types. First is natural flame. Neutral flame is produced when the ratio of oxygen to acetylene in the mixture leaving the torch is almost exactly 1:1, yani 1:1. It is termed neutral because it will usually have no chemical effect on the metal being welded. It will not oxidize the weld metal. It will not cause increase the carbon content of the weld metal. Next is excess acetylene. Flame is name implies it create when the proportion of acetylene in the mixture is higher than that required to produce neutral flame. Used on steel, it will cause an increasing in carbon content in weld metal. Next is oxidizing flame. Result from burning a mixture which contain more oxygen than required for a neutral flame. It will oxidize or burn some of metal being welded. Now we talk about the welding equipments of gas welding. Acetylene gas. The virtually all the acetylene distributed of metal and cutting use is created while allowing calcium carbide, a man-made product, to react with water. The nice thing about the calcium carbide method to produce acetylene is that it can be done on almost any scale desired. Place in tightly sealed can, calcium carbide keep indefinitely of year. Miners lamp produce acetylene by adding water, a drop at a time of lump of carbides. Before acetylene in cylinder become available in most every community of appreciable size produce their own gases from calcium carbide. Acetylene cylinder. Acetylene is used in cylinder especially designed for the purpose only. Acetylene unstable in its pure form and pressure above 15 psi pound per square inch. Acetone is also present within the cylinder to stabilize the acetylene. Acetylene cylinder should always be stored in upright position to prevent acetone from escaping, thus causing the acetylene to become unstable. Cylinders are filled with very porous substance, monolithic filler, to help prevent large pockets of pure acetylene forming. Cylinder have safety fuse plug in the top bottom designed to melt at 212 degree Fahrenheit या 100 degree centigrade. That is the real diagram how the gas welding is performed, where you can see the acetylene cylinder or oxygen cylinder. They mix at top side and create a flame of high temperature. This is the apparatus which is used in gas welding. Oxygen cylinder, acetylene cylinder, pressure gauges, valves, hose pipes, torch, welding tips, pressure regulator, lighter or goggles. Now we talk about thermite welding. Principle. As we discussed, thermite welding is a liquid state chemical welding process in which joint form take place in molten state. Practically, it is combination of welding and casting process in which the molten iron poured at the welding plate and allows solidifying to make permanent strong joint. As you see in this figure, where you see a crucible which have melted metal, where we applying the melted metal, we put a drawn in this cavity. After solidification, the welding operation is fulfilled by the melted metal. First thermite ignited, then crucible tapped, superheated metal flow into mold and metal solidified to produce weld joint. Now we talk about this working. First, both the workpiece which are needed to be welded are clean. Now a wax pattern is created around the weld cavity. A mold flask is affixed around the joint with the help of mold handle clamp. This wax pattern is situated at the middle of the flask. Now the mold sand rammed around the wax pattern to create mold in which the molten metal will be poured. This mold involves all necessary parts like runner, riser, pouring basin, gating system, opening of wax pattern, etc. same as involved in casting. Now this mold is the heated to remove wax pattern. The wax melted and run off from the wax pattern outlet prepared at bottom of the sand metal. Now the thermit mixture is taken into the refractory crucible. The ignite powder is the place over the mixture. This mixture is ignited by the magnesium ribbon. This will start the thermit reaction which liberates a huge amount of heat. This reaction from molten state of iron which flow from crucible to sand mold. This molten metal fills the weld cavity and fuses the parent metal to make permanent joint. This will allow cooling down. After the proper cooling, flask is removed from joint. After removing the flask, the machining is done to remove the welding bar or extra metal. Now we talk about its application. It is mostly used in weld railroad of the site. जो हमारे ट्रेन्स में पटरियाँ होती हैं उस पर वेल्डिंग में काम आती है. इट वॉज यूज टू वेल्ड thick for introducing electroslick welding. They are used to repair heavy casting. It is used to weld cable connection of copper. It is used to make structure joint in large ships. It is used to join pipe, thick plate where the power supply is not available. Its advantage, it is simple and easy process, low setup cost, metal joining rate is high. Thermit welding can be done at the site where the casting is impossible. This can be used where power supply is not available. Now we talk about disadvantage. It is used to limited metal like iron and copper. It is uneconomical for welding light parts. Height depends on environmental condition like moisture content, workpiece alignment, etc. That is the thermit welding. Thank you very much.